This is a wildfire emergency alert from Wasco County Sheriff's Office. Level 3 Go Now evacuation notice for the following areas: Cherry Hill and Kingdom Street. Level 3 Go Now means leave immediately. There is extreme danger in your area. Evacuate now. Leave without delay. It is unsafe to stay, and threatens the safety of you, your family, and emergency responders. Your life could be in great danger. Emergency services personnel may not be available to help you if you choose to stay. Do not stop to gather your belongings or protect your home. Follow your emergency plan. Leave as fast as safely possible. Drive carefully, turn on your headlights, and follow traffic safety warnings and instructions from local authorities. Use tripcheck.com or call 511 for road closure information. If you need emergency shelter, call 211 or 1-866-698-6155, visit 211info.org, or text your zip code to 898211. Do not return to the area until public safety officials announce the area is safe. Continue to check for updates through local city and county websites, social media, TV, and radio. Once you are safe, check with friends and family. Visit wildfire.oregon.gov for more information. Do not call 911 unless you are experiencing an immediate life safety issue.